get rid of all of it. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, I don't even want to put this shit away. Just like throw it all out. What up, AFAM? Kitty here, back on YouTube due to popular demand. I've been gone. Popular demand meaning 5 people, but this is for you, for those 5 people. And you guys have seen my home edit filmmaker edition video on TikTok and Instagram and wanted a full video. So here is me showing off how I organized it. I know it's not Pinterest or Instagram worthy. It's not in cute little wicker baskets and perfect labels everywhere, but it is functional and it is a tremendous difference from what I had going on before. For those who don't know, The Home Edit is this show on Netflix that's run by these 2 females who spend their entire life editing houses for celebrities, for normal people, and they pretty much organize whatever room they want. And I'm gonna show you guys how I basically edited my gear closet, and we're gonna get into it, and hopefully some of these tips might help you and rethink how you wanna organize your own gear closet, because I know yours ain't super organized either, let's be real. This did take a total of 10 hours, and there's still like a few things that I wanna change or do better. We are moving, so once we get to the new place, hopefully I could organize it a little bit better when we get there. First steps first. It's gonna be the most insane, but whatever room or anything you're organizing, you have to take all that shit out, all of it, because you have to visualize and see how much junk you've actually acquired, so it helps you purge it better. We took everything out of this one closet, and I don't even know how that all fit in that tiny room, but it did. My gear was all over the place. I had so many camera bags. We took all the shelving out. We took all the food out, all the Yumi stuff. It's just insane. And then I went through all my gear pieces like that. I went through my coats and what I wanted to donate. I know you're gonna ask, Kitty, are you gonna be selling any camera gear? Can I look? Can I see what you don't want? Well, good news for you is I have a shopping channel on our Discord. So if you wanna click the link down below and join the Discord, I do have a trade channel where you can see my entire list of what I'm selling, and I already sold a few things, so please jump on there. For me, I had gear that I still didn't want to sell and I didn't want to donate or purge, so I put that in the storage unit downstairs. During COVID, I don't really have a lot of client work, but I don't want to get rid of this gear. I also can't rent it at the moment, so this is me keeping it. So if you don't have a storage unit that you could just throw all your junk in that you don't want, maybe you have a garage, maybe you have like your parents' house that you could store it at. I know I still have a lot of stuff in my parents' house too. Just find that piece or just completely get rid of it. Sometimes you just gotta make that hard decision and just let it go. It'll be okay. And once we did all that, I had to figure out where shit was about to go, right? Because once you take everything out, it's a lot easier to condense all the themes, like this is all the camera bags, this is all my light stands, this is all my paperwork and receipts, and finally you get to just get into it because you have nothing else on your mind for that whole day. You can just focus on organizing. So I've had this for a while, and this was originally in the closet hiding, and I don't know why. So it's nice that this is all organized, and here I'm gonna go through my sections and show you how I did it. So this is my biggest section. This is all my Sony stuff, my Sony cameras, vlog cameras, and lenses up top. I know you guys asked me a lot about what lenses to get, and you'll see that I actually don't have that many lenses. And then the next section over here, I got my Nikons and my Fuji, which I'm shooting on right now, but it would usually go right here. I just have my film rolls back there that I've been keeping since film school. And one day I'll digitize it and hopefully show you guys in the future, but that's just storing back there. I don't really know what to do with my atola straps just yet, but I just put them in this container. This is actually from my Spider Elite, but it was boxed in here, and it's perfect red box. And then up top is my legendary top shelf items. This is what I would like to call it. So I got my Canon 5D Mark II and all the Canon lenses because that's just memories for me. It's like the first actual professional camera I've had. It's like my go-to camera for 5 years, and I learned so much on it, so I don't want to get rid of it. We got Tupac up top. I have all my fountain pen inks up top too, and my gimbal because it doesn't really fit anywhere else. So that's that. All right, I labeled all the drawers, but this one I'm the most proud of because my batteries were just a mess. Since I shoot with different cameras, I organized it by Nikon, which is the N. I got Fuji up top. We got Sony over here. So when you're shooting with crew, it sometimes gets confusing on whose is what stuff. So always label your batteries. I just use these 1/2-inch atola stickers and I love them. Check out this old Kidiography sticker. When I used to call myself Kidiography. And this is lights and monitors, self-explanatory. I use tinfoil to shape lights, so I store that in here. I have various little LED lights and my small HD monitors. Hard drives, all the rugged hard drives, NAR boxes, audio, all my mics, self-explanatory. My Zoom's in here, little wind muffs, XLR cables, and I put it in this box that I actually got from Daiso years ago. So that's actually been living there for the past couple years already. NDs and meh drawer. I hated organizing these because I didn't know what to do, how to organize NDs. This was actually a difficult drawer to deal with. This is what I use to calibrate my monitor. Some more ND filters here. I got all these Polar Pro Peter McKinnon filters. I actually recommend like rewriting them because this label is so small and hard to read when you're trying to just grab stuff really fast. Yes, the office drawer is just full of random tape and scissors, pens, SD cards, lens cleaning wipes, money, passport. Yeah, there you go. So down here is just random stuff. This is actually like my little craft box of papers and glue because sometimes I decoupage some things. And over here is the RC car. I actually wish it fit because it's really killing me that this thing sticks out. But what are you gonna do? It's the RC car, shelf, and basketball. And just for funsies and in honor of their rainbow system, I put all of Yumi's toys on this ledge where she sleeps so she could grab them really easily, even though she doesn't. Mostly she just does a lot of fists. I organized it via rainbow style, and it turns out Yumi's so spoiled. She has a toy of every color of the rainbow without us even knowing. And if you're wondering where the orange is, it's her licky mat, and that's by her food bowl, so that's not up here. Yumi, wanna say hi? Torpedo. I went to the Container store and bought this riser here. I was just looking for something that I could prop my lenses on because this is a box and there is so much unutilized space up here. I wish I didn't get plastic, honestly. I hate buying plastic things, but there's just no cardboard versions, and I know that I'm gonna be using this for a long time, so it was definitely worth the investment. Try to find more sustainable containers or organizers if you can. Gear pieces. This one everyone has, I'm sure, and I use it quite often. Tip is to use phone boxes. This is actually my Insta360 box, this white one, and it's so nice because camera boxes and phone boxes are actually super sturdy and thick. They make the perfect organizational box. So save money on these little acrylic containers and just use old boxes because you're probably keeping them anyway somewhere. Toilet paper rolls. If you haven't seen it, I posted a TikTok on my paper towel roll label cable things. Very useful, I like them. Yes, my spider light box stores all my phone chargers. And this is the quick plate section. And yeah, that is the entire walkthrough of this little section here. Honestly, I hate this section. I don't even know why I want to show it to you, but I'm just hoping someone there might help me organize this. So my battery charging station is just something I've been wrestling with for many, many years. I keep thinking that I'm gonna organize it really nicely, but I hate it every time. So I decided this year to put it in this big IKEA white box with power adapters, and it'd just be a way to like close the lid and it'll hide in this white corner. It was really difficult because one, at nighttime there's no lights here, and just bending down to charge everything every single day just turned out to be such a bitch. But I'll just show you what I'm working with now to show you what not to do, pretty much. So in here I have this little power cube that could hold USB cables as well as AC power, which is nice. We also like not glued, but like sticky tacked the different batteries down so they won't move. So I have Sony, Nikon, Fuji in here, AA batteries. And then I have this box, which is like an in and out box. So everything in this box, like this light here, needs to be charged. And once it's in the other box, I know that I could put it away. And then this is something new that I got from the Container Store, which I wanted to show you guys because I think it's pretty neat. I'm sorry it's plastic, but I'm hoping that I will use this forever and always, so please forgive me. I have one actually in my office drawer there, but this one's cool because I was looking for a box that had just 2 dividers for the charging things that I use quite often, and then the charging things that are more like extras, because sometimes I'll have like 2 Nikon chargers and I just want to store that somewhere. So this is cool because you could actually adjust these. This is called, I think, the brick, and you buy these little dividers and you can just move them anywhere in the box, which is nice, and you get 2 of them. I'm always scared I'm gonna break it though. Ugh. Get in there. Okay. Damn. Whew. Okay. So right here I have all my little cables. Just keep it nice and organized so I don't have to see that shit. Put it in here. In the middle section, these are the chargers that I use the most. And then the last section is all the extras, extra adapters and things of that nature and stuff I don't really charge on the daily or weekly. That goes in here. So I need to find a better system than this, but this is just what it is for now. And we'll close it because I think it's ugly. Welcome to the gear closet, the random, just throw everything in here closet. To you, it might still look messy, but to me, it looks phenomenal. What an improvement. I know it's not like perfect bins stacked up, all the same color and labels and Instagram, but this is real life, okay? Not Instagram. There's just a lot of different categories in here because a lot of things get shoved in this closet. This is actually where that first IKEA shelf used to be, and then this was moved over here. The coats were on this side getting smushed, but I like this layout a lot more. It's a lot easier to find and to grab things. Also, for those who have a lot of gear, these steel metal shelves, I swear, are a lifesaver. You could also adjust them, so it's perfect. All right, the first stop, all our lovely camera bags, Peak Design bags. Originally, I don't even know where they were. I think they were just stored in a corner somewhere and we never touched them. But I kind of liked how the Home Edit likes to do bags and purses up on the top there. And we walk through here really easily, so if you need to grab a bag and head out and shoot, it's a lot easy to do so. The stuff I'm using currently during quarantine is here. We have drone guards, lenses, phone gimbal. I have, oh, these are amazing. These Kimtech lens cleaning wipes. They're not really marketed to camera people, but you do get a lot of them. $280 for really cheap, and I've had these for years already. This is my box of for sale items that I want to get rid of. So check on the Discord, the trade channel, if you want to buy some things for me. Now the third row, I have a couple gimbal boxes. I have my Pelican case, which I store like my rocket blower, telephoto lens, because I don't really want to put it on the shelf when LA has so many earthquakes. I want to keep it safe and comfy in here. And gaff tape, SD card holders, just random things that have nowhere else to go besides here. Bottom shelf is where I normally keep my aperture lights. I only have one here now because I still use this. Another gimbal case and my plant food and such. And in the new place, I really want to hang my light stands and tripods, so I'm trying to find an adapter or something. And if you know of any cool adapters or hooks or a system, let me know. Also, what's great about this shelf is you can store stuff underneath. So I'll put my sandbags, I'll put monopods, I'll put my little penny board under here. It's just like a secret compartment of stuff that you could just hide. And that's it. That's my gear closet. We'll see what it looks like at the new place because this is all gonna change soon. All right, that's the end of your tour on the Home Edit Filmmaker Edition. Check out the show. Maybe it'll help you come up with own ideas for your own space. And if you learned something here, that's super great and helpful. Leave a comment down below on what room or part of your house needs some organizing. Maybe I can help you do it. See you soon, probably TikTok. I'm gonna go shoot a TikTok right now, so I'll probably find you there. Boop. Torpedo. She's ridiculous. Okay, bye. Done.